What a beautiful attraction. So beautiful here. There's my boys right there. Brandley, what do you got to say for the camera?
I'm tired.
Bryson, what do you got to say for the camera, brother? Huh? But this is Tron right here. Look at this. They just nice. We're waiting to go over here. Another firework. Golly. Good night.
Mickey Mouse, M-I-C-K-E-Y.
No, you're fine. Man, this is so nice. What a place to get the fireworks show right here in front of Tron. Golly, I know. I'm like, geez. Dude. This is a perfect place to film this, like Chris said. This is so great. There's Chrissy. Hey, Chrissy. What you doing, baby? Hey, Kylie.
It's not open right now. No, but when it opens, can we actually start the other one?
Wow, this is incredible.